Dear students, in this video we will discuss about database management system. So in the database management system, first we have to understand about the data. Data is collection of interrelated data where you have to store, that will be called the database. And when you want to manage that data, that will be used for database management system. For an example, MySQL and Oracle. So this is called the database management system, where you can alter, you can update, you can edit all the functions you can do by the data in one system. That system will be called the database management system. Some tasks are available on the database management systems. So what are that tasks? The tasks are 4 tasks are there. First one is data definition. What do you mean by the data definition? Data definition, in the data definition we can create some data, modification some data, or removal of some definitions are there. Okay. Second one is data updation. In the data updation, creation modifications are also there, but it will be used for actual data in the database. Next one is data retrieval. Retrieval means fetching the data from the database. Means that if you want to take some data from the database, so that will be called the data retrieval. Last one is user administration. User administration means every user have their own authority on their account. If you have some data, so that data will be secure for you. If you have the authorized access, you can use it. Those persons doesn't have authorized access, they cannot use your data. So this is called the user administration. So these are called the task of database management system. So here some advantages of the database management systems. What are the advantages? First one is minimize redundancy and data consistency. Means that data will be concurrent, that will be multiple uses, but that will not be redundant. Means one data, if you want to change, that will be changed everywhere, it will not be redundant. Next one is simplified data access. Every time if you have authority, you can use very easily, you can access very easily that data. Multiple data views, different types, you can see the video, the data in the soft copy form, in the hard copy form, in the report form, in the printout form, any type of form you can check the multiple data. In the chart form you can also check that. Next one, data security. That data will be secure because that will be used from the authorized persons. Next one is concurrent access data. Every time multiple persons are using, those are authorized persons, they are using your data and update your data, so that will be concurrent. Next one is backup and recovery management. Simultaneously in this system, that data will be also backup and that will be used for the recovery purpose also. So this is the advantages of the database management system. So I hope now you all understand about the database management system. In the next video we will discuss about data warehousing. Thank you.